Do you want to enable end-to-end encryption in Instagram?
You can turn on end-to-end encryption on Instagram direct messages with just a few simple steps.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to enable end-to-end encryption in Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. End-to-end encryption in Instagram is the security feature of your conversations, ensuring that your messages are only readable by you and the receiver. The encryption process secures the content in such a way that it cannot be accessed or decrypted by anyone else. To enable end-to-end encryption in Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. On the Instagram newsfeed, tap on the direct message icon at the top right corner of the home screen to open your list of messages. Alternatively, you can swipe left on the screen to open the chat conversation. In the direct message section, create a new message with someone or open an existing chat conversation with the person you want to start a new encrypted chat with. Once you are in the chat conversation screen, tap on the name of your friend at the top of the screen. A new page will appear with various settings for that person. Here, tap on Privacy and Safety. Under the Keep Your Message Secure section, you will see the Use End-to-End Encryption option. Tap on it. A new chat conversation screen will appear with end-to-end encryption enabled. You will see a message indicating that your messages and calls are secured with end-to-end encryption. If you start chatting here with your friend, your messages and calls are secured with end-to-end encryption. The secure encrypted chat conversation will now appear in your chat list. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn on and use end-to-end encryption on Instagram.